So this is what I tell people when we're going to build a dry well. You just take this shovel and this shovel and the trenching shovel. So you trench out the little area once you have everything in place. This is how I do it. That way I have everything level. And I mean, we can show you. Look at that. No gimmicks. Bubbles facing that way. And we're running the water that way. So that's good. Anyway. So we're about to tile tape this and get the dry well in place. So we're going to put the fabric. I like to take this shovel, the spade shovel, and make a circle on all around with the spade shovel, so you can dump some rock here and just level everything out. So you're going to put fabric. So you're going to put fabric, French drain fabric, non-woven geotextile fabric, and then you're going to put some stone. And you're going to tile tape these two joints. You're going to put everything nice and flat, and then take the fabric and overlap around, cut a circle, and then put your risers, and you're great, and you're ready to go. I'll show you the process in a minute. We put some copper sulfate crystals under here before we put the fabric. Then we get everything packed at the bottom first. We make sure this sits on top of the rock tight. That way you never have any sinking. So now everything's tile taped here. We have it in here. The reason we do this little basketball, like I said before, like that, is so we could dump rock on the sides. Now this thing ain't moving nowhere. Once we pack all this down, this thing's not gonna float, go up or down, or nothing. Now what we do is we run the fabric real tight on the sides. Do an X cut, pack it, pack this nice and tight, and you do the same thing, repeat the process. You want to do it nice and tight. Take this, pack it over here. Take this, pack it over here. And what I like to do, I like to throw a little bit more rock on the sides. Keep that nice and packed down. Always make sure that you don't lose your level. What we see here, we got a full drop. We're going that way. Now all we do is we add French drain man's risers right on top. That's going to be a little high. We want it to be low. We want to collect water. Right there. That's it. Now we backfill. What we're going to do here for now is we're going to put a covered lid from French drain man. That way we can backfill. No issue. Now we're going to put the other one down there. Alright, so we got the catch basins in place. We got covered lids on them for now. So we put a little bit of extra rock over top of the fabric to pinch it on both sides. Like I said, we have copper sulfate crystals on the bottom. There's a couple trees here. We're like right in front of one here, right in front of one there. Over there, so we're gonna put more catch basins there. So we have another 2 tons of rock coming in. Well, just came in for the rest of the French drain. I was a little off because we had to go so deep in certain areas. So here what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the other 2 catch basins with that downspout and the AC drip line. This is for bulk water. That's it. We'll backfill all this, close this up, get the dual wall onto the sidewalk, and put the pop-ups in place.